So we're here with Miss Broker.
Hi.
We're gonna ask you a couple questions. So the first question is, what does this club do?
7/8 Singers sings music from all different types of genres. They sing with harmony and sometimes they do a little bit of choreography. They perform around the community. They perform 2 concerts at school each year. They go on a field trip to the elementary schools to perform, and they also perform at both our winter and spring assemblies.
And why do you think kids like this club?
It's fun. It's just really fun, and there are great kids in it with wonderful voices.
Why did you choose to supervise this club?
It's one of my favorite things. I've been singing since I could start talking, and I love to sing, and I love teaching kids to sing.
And what is your favorite part about this club?
My favorite part is when it all comes together, and I see someone who was initially afraid to do a solo jump up and do it. That's my favorite.
Thank you for letting us interview
Have
you.
here.
So I'm gonna ask you a couple questions. So why did you choose to do this club?
People going to this club are really, really nice. You can probably get along with them very easily. And we do like bunch of other singing genres, which are also very fun. And sometimes we go to elementary schools and perform, which is also really fun.
So what is your favorite part of this club?
I guess just like people and performing is really nice.
So we have here
Ava.
You have your mic too.
Ava.
So why did you choose this club in the first place?
So I chose it because I love singing and I like hanging out with my friends.
What is your favorite part about this club?
I like the songs we do, and also my favorite part is hanging out with my friends after school.
We have here.
My name is Jenna.
Why did you choose this club?
I chose to join 7th and 8th grade singers because I had other friends who were in chorus in 5th grade who said it was really fun, so I decided to try it out in 6th grade, which I had a really, really good experience with, so I decided to continue on.
So what is your favorite part about this club?
I really enjoy practicing the songs, but we also get many opportunities like field trips and to do things like just out of school things. Like we got to sing at the Park Ridge Town Hall for Christmas and stuff, and those were all really enjoyable, and we also usually get special treats. So
Yeah, thank you, Jenna. Other batch of 7th graders, introduce yourselves.
I'm Annabella.
I'm Megan.
I'm Isabella.
So what is your guys' favorite part of Craft Club?
I like making creepy things to scare little children.
I usually like making something that's actually good, and so does Megan.
So what are your guys' most proud of creation?
My so-called reindeer.
I also made a reindeer. It gave me nightmares.
Thank you guys. 7th graders have been going to Craft Club for a while, and we have.
Sosha.
And Mariella.
So what are your guys' favorite crafts so far?
Probably like free craft. I made these mushrooms out of hot glue.
How long have you been going to Craft Club for?
Just 1 year.
2 years. Thank you.
This is Miss Corsello, and I sponsor Craft Club, which meets on Tuesdays in room 222. Craft Club has been running for a few years now, and we do lots of different things. As you can see in these photos, we started off with some school spirit, made some bulletin boards and banners. We did magnets for our lockers. We've had a pizza party to celebrate someone's birthday. One of the things that I like about Craft Club the most is the friendships that are formed. So we've had a lot of return visitors. We've had some students in previous years who have stuck with Craft Club all 3 years. And it's a really nice club because there are 6th, 7th, and 8th graders who participate. And here's some pictures from last year. We generally just put out a bunch of craft supplies and then see what students will make. But sometimes we do things like chalk art displays for movie nights or specific bulletin boards. We've also had a poster design contest once for the Park Ridge Green team that was having an initiative at one of the local forest preserves. And really just depends what we get into. It's every single week is so come on down to Craft Club and check out what we're making.
Hello.
Okay, so what does this club do?
In Cooking Club, we meet twice a month. We meet the first and the third Tuesday, and we cook something sweet once a month, and we cook something savory once a month.
Why do you think kids like this club?
I think kids like this club because it's fun to cook with friends, and a lot of times friends will bring friends, and they get to eat together and make something tasty that they've created. And it's a little bit more laid back than our classes because it is an after-school club. I choose to supervise this club because it's fun to cook with the students, and also I know where everything is. So I'm already buying food for our foods class, so we buy it also then for culinary club. And if we need some utensils or baking tools, I know exactly where they are, so it makes it nice and easy.
What's your favorite part about this club?
My favorite part is meeting new students because I have a lot of students at Emerson, but I don't have all of them. So it's just been fun to get to know students that I don't have in class.
My name's Hafsa.
Hafsa?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Why do you choose this club?
I chose this club because I really like making new recipes and trying new things out.
What's your favorite part of this club?
My favorite part of this club is making things with my friends, and I love spending time with them, and cooking with them is a great way to do that.
Evie. Okay, why do you choose this club?
I really like to cook and I like to bake, and I think it's really fun that you're able to do it with friends, and it's a really cool experience.
What's your favorite part of the club?
Definitely probably when we get to try it, or like when we're in the middle of it and everything's all crazy, because I think it's super fun when we're all in the kitchen running around.
Bye.
We're good.
Bye, guys.
Okay, so here.
Not TV Dad.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
So the first question is, why did you choose to do this club?
This club is really fun, and a lot of people there are like really good at singing, and also very nice to each other. And we always go on like field trips and perform within like a few months. So I really like the club.
So, what is your favorite part about this club?
That's a good question. NG. You have to ask me this before. I don't know.
Hi. Hey. We'll be really quick. You guys can do that.
Okay.
Guys,